Today's walkthrough is going to be at 2661 Lucky Pepper Drive, right here in Cougar Mountain Estates. Stay tuned. We are at 2661 Lucky Pepper Drive here in Cougar Mountain Estates. This lot is almost 2 acres. It is a little undulating. It's a really cool looking lot. It goes back pretty far, as you can see by the aerial drone photos I've got listed. And minimum square feet to build in this community is going to be 1,500 square feet. The lot requires a well as a septic system, and there's already electricity out here, so it's ready to start building. The community has full access to a private lake club in Lake Granbury, so let's go check that out.
It is absolutely gorgeous out here. There's the entrance to the private lake club. There's a water feature. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful greenery. There's a pickleball court. Lake Granbury's on the other side of that pickleball court. Here is a area for horseshoes, picnic tables, grills. Absolutely stunning out here. Let's go check out the clubhouse. All right, so here we are up at the clubhouse. It's beautiful here. Inside is a fully furnished kitchen. Great little outdoor sitting area. And you see this beautiful pier over there. This area over here in the clubhouse inside is available for you as a member. Let's go check out the dock. Just beautiful out here, right on Lake Granbury. See those geese? See that man over there fishing? Oh, cool, a crane. Going down the walking path to this fire pit area. So peaceful out here. There's the clubhouse back up there. All right, so here we are, this fantastic fishing pier. This really nice boater over there just told me it was 10 feet deep, and that is really deep for a cove. Take this way, and it takes you right out to Lake Granbury, and Thorpe Springs boat ramp is on the other side of this peninsula.
If you would like more information about Cougar Mountain Estates, please reach out to me. I would love to work with you.